it might be difficult to call this a real Beetle. Not only is the bodywork radically different, but so is the chassis. It's all-tube frame with McPherson struts up front and trailing arms in the rear. The tires are pretty huge too. Up front they're 225mm wide, and 255mm wide in the back, and they're mounted on 18-inch wheels. But hey, the powertrain is still kind of like a Beetle. Well, maybe Beetle adjacent. It's a 2.7-liter air-cooled, fuel-injected flat-four making 210 horsepower and 182 pound-feet of torque bolted up to a 5-speed manual transmission. In a car as light as a Beetle, that should be enough to scare yourself. From the looks of it, it's probably a version of the company's 2.7-liter engine available for purchase individually. According to the company, that engine is based on the one used in the Porsche 914 and VW Type 4N bus, but then modified by Memminger.